Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and launching diagnostics. Check the app and operating system versions, then confirm at least 10% free storage so updates can apply. Force close the app, restart your device, and clear the app cache to remove corrupted temporary files. Once done, test the network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and toggle airplane mode briefly. These steps remove common state issues and give you a clean baseline for the next, deeper troubleshooting stage. Next, perform more detailed fixes that resolve persistent failures. First, reinstall the app or apply the latest patch from the official store to replace corrupt binaries. This also refreshes default settings. Then, review permissions and battery or background data limits, because apps often fail when denied required access. If the problem persists, open the app's logs or note error messages and codes. These clues point to network, API, or auth failures. Make sure to document steps so you can backtrack if needed. To finish, reset specific app settings or perform a sign out and sign in to refresh user tokens and session state. This often clears invisible authentication problems. Then, methodically test core functions, logging in, syncing data, receiving notifications, and the app's primary workflows. If everything works, monitor for a few cycles. If issues persist, capture screenshots, exact error text, and steps to reproduce, then contact support. One key tip: reboot and retry after each major change so you can isolate what fixed or broke the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.